In this video, I'll show you how to replace the headlamps on a Mark III Ford Mondeo. This may be necessary if they're faulty, if they've been chipped by stones, or if there's been an unexplainable accident involving a hammer. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay. Step 1 is to remove the power cable from the back of the headlamp, and that's easy to find. It's that thing there. Here's a close-up, and to remove the power cable, simply press and hold this tab, like so, and then slide the cable backwards. There we are. We now need to remove this decorative plastic grille, and that's held in place by 2 thumb screws. There's one here, and to release that, we simply turn it anti-clockwise, like so, and then pull. And there's another one of those thumb screws all the way over here, so we'll release that in the same fashion. And now, as if by magic, we can simply lift the grille out of position. Next, we need to remove 2 metal clips that hold the headlamp in position. There's one clip at the top, that's it there. Can you see that? And there's another clip down here at the side. There it is. Now both these clips look a little rusty and stuck in position, so to encourage them to come free, we're going to give them a squirt of lubricant, which of course we find there. Where else would it be? Those clips can now be pulled out of position. We'll start with the clip on the side of the headlamp, so simply grab it here and slide it upwards. Like so, and I had to show you that twice because the first time I forgot to press record on the camera. And of course it's the same story for the clip on the top of the headlamp. And now we can simply slide the headlamp away from the car. Just like that. I just banged my knee on the car's towing eye. Ouch. As for getting a replacement headlamp, well, they're readily available on eBay. Prices start at about £40, which is genuinely 1/5 the value of my entire car because the engine's knackered. Now, when fitting the new headlamp, notice that on this side there are 2 lugs on the car, one there and one here, and these lugs slide into holes on the headlamp, one there and one there. As for the other side of the headlamp, well, we have lugs there, and the holes they slide into are here. So, bearing that in mind, slide the headlamp into position. Now simply replace the clips, the power cable, and the grille, and it's job done. So that's it, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Whose is that?